Set ng Lululemon niya. Patingin, patingin. Ay, wow. Patingin.
Kumeta ka para gumagano.
Ay!
Wow, bago dali.
Ganda.
Last week pa yan.
Maganda quality. Anong floor? Contrology.
Yung galing sa atin.
Picture ba? Screenshot. Screenshot! Hindi mo na naman pinuntan eh. Help!
Lagi, second floor kasi yun.
Second floor lang tayo, mabot na tayo 20.
Wait na lang. Mukhang pipindot-pindot baka bumagsak.
Hoy, baka 22.
Baka 22 na. 203 daw. Bakit nandito tayo? Lagay mo nga second floor.
Ah, yan pala.
Ayan kasi. 208 nga. Sabi na 8 ba?
O, ito na eh. Where is the entrance? Baka ito. Ah, step na to.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so much and fly, yeah. Wings of gold, we touch the sky. Bad bitches till we die. We so fly. Just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party, dancing like there's no one else around. You know I be looking so fine, body like mine, wearing these boots thigh high. Bitches in the corner with wine, staring cause we never get stuck in line. We can't help it, we just look so snatched. Yeah, we're the ones the boys are looking at. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so can fly, yeah. Wings of gold, we touch the sky. Bad bitches till we die. We so fly.
Ano yan? Tawag dito, thumbnail.
Nalaksin daw ako. Hingal ako. Nalaksin daw. So it's the last class is 6 p.m.
Bye guys. Eto. Uy. Hulo, nanginginig yung kamay ko sa bag ko.
Ako talaga, di ba ito ako sa lubi?
Oo. Ay, natapos. Okay, success.
Success. I like it.
Okay, rate it.
Sa ngayon, 5 muna.
5. Yung aerial rate niya.
Madali lang para sa akin yung area.
Oo, no?
Para dito.
Yes, healthy after Pilates. Ano ba yun? Sino ba kayo? Ah, sila po. Kuha yung side dish.
Brown rice. Sweet chili brown rice po. Ano ba maganda ba? Brown rice o cauliflower?
Brown.
Brown na lang.
Ba yan, sarap. Oh, tas may kanin pa. May...
Yes!
Di ko mo.
Binidyohan yung McDonald's ko na.
Hindi, hindi, B.
Ayaw niya, B.
Hindi, B.
Ayaw niya video yung McDo.
Oy, wag mo yan. Tanggalin mo yan. Kaya dahil, may wifi ka. Hindi man ako connect. Diyos ko, bilis naman na.
Dali na, ayaw mo po.
Sorry, pero gutom na talaga ako.
Ano siya? Saan din? Office? Paano yan? Tatanggalin mo na yung pangalan ko. Hindi na ako...
Ano? May kutsara po?
Shout out to Stanley.
Baka naman, sabi mo.
Ayan,
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ayan. Ay, oo nga.
Katago. Ang lapit lang pala natin.
Wait.
Eh, nag-video pa nga.
Tapon lang itong babae mo.
Wala, tulog lang.
Karga kanina ni Alexia.
Tulog lang, bebe, oh. Cute.
Bless!
Sumasama lang, bebe.
Baka matuto ba yata?
Bebe, sumasama na to kahit kanino. Oh.
Oo naman.
Oh. Oh. Tingnan mo, siga na. Play. Let's go put this one first. Put this one. Here? Where? In there? Where are we going? Slide? Huh? Going up? Going up? You wait for daddy? Where is daddy? Call daddy na. Call daddy. Tell him you want to go slide. You wanna go there? Where is daddy? Go daddy. Ask him to go to the slide. Where? Where? Yeah.
Ay, scared ate.
Scared pa.
Sige ba, isa
Ako isang chest cake.
Isang chest.
Maghay ka.
Coffee latte, anong pinagkaiba nun? Eh, ito meron mo.
Espresso lang siya na may
Kaya matamis.
may hindi naman po kasi nagmamahalo yung
Bigyan siya ng 2 days off. Sabi niya, kahit same sahod ng 4,000, may 2 days off. Ay, yung mga ano, hindi ako nilalabas, gusto ako, ganyan. Oo. So, ikaw may nagkakasakit ka na. Hindi mo po yun sa kalahati, yung sandwich.
hindi pa po.
Pahati na lang. Thank you so much. Na, bibidyohan na lang namin and all.
Take away ko po.
Yung, eto lang po kuya, i-take away na lang po. Tapos
Yung
pahati na lang. Ay, na pa po.
Ay, ang sarap naman lotus talaga.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, kuya. Hindi natatakot? Uy!
Naina, where are you na?
Saan?
Where? Where's Nathan? Yay!
Diyos ko, bago makaakyat, pahirapan.
Ha?
Remove the shoes!
You want to remove the tissue?
Marunong na siya magsalita.